So we did a Grand Canyon rim to rim hike, and right now I'm at Indian Garden Campground. We came in from the north rim on the Kaibab Trail. Just a few things if you haven't done this before to keep in mind. Lots of sunscreen, a good hat, cover your ears. Something a lot of people don't think about is either bring a pair of lightweight flip-flops or Crocs. That way you can dunk your feet in the multiple creeks you're going to see and walk by. It's a game changer. You'll get that swelling down in your feet and up through your calves. Spend some time and actually take care of your feet like that, and that's where those Crocs come in handy, or your flip-flops, especially at the campgrounds too. It's nice to get those boots off and wander around in flip-flops so your feet air out. Chapstick, of course, is one of the main things you need to just keep that, and just keep hydrating. Keep sipping on water. Don't gulp it. You'll end up throwing up. Just constantly just keep sipping on water. That way your body absorbs it a little bit better. And count your water. I mean, know how many bottles of water you're going through at each of your stop points. Take many breaks as you want, but you still got to get your miles in too. So it's kind of a juggling act of how many miles you go before a 15-20 minute break. It seems like if you break too long, you tend to stiffen up, so we kind of try to keep our breaks either 5-minute quick ones, or every couple miles we'd stop, take our packs off, and actually take a 15-20 minute break and hydrate. Other than that, just really enjoy it, and just get your timing down, because as fast as you think you're going to go slower. I mean, we average probably 2 miles an hour with a group of 4 of us, and but at the same time, you're in Grand Canyon, you want to kind of enjoy it. It took us from the north rim. We got to Phantom Ranch, and then we actually took a break there because the heat of the day was so hot. We decided to let that sun angle get down, and we got to Indian Garden just about dark. But so you know, if you're coming in from the north rim or Phantom Ranch, especially if it's dark, it's very hard to find, and to find your way into the campsite. There'll be a split rail fence on your right side if you're heading towards the south rim, and you have to walk to the end of that fence to find an entrance to the campground. There's some kind of spots that look like it's an entrance, but it's not. It can be a little frustrating if it's dark when you're coming in here, like we did from the north rim. Just be aware of that, but the campsites are very nice. We got a bathroom and water spigot right here. It's a beautiful spot, lots of shade in Indian Gardens.
Hi guys.
Hello.
How's it going?
Morning.
Thank you for waiting on us.
Not a problem.
Taking cool videos and pictures. Hashtag Grand Canyon. Yeah.
Morning.
Yeah.
Hmm.